Did you know your liver is a superhero? It works tirelessly, 24/7. Filtering your blood and removing toxins is just the start. This 3-pound powerhouse also balances hormones and converts nutrients into energy. But how often do we think about our liver? Many only notice when something goes wrong. Stress on the liver shows up as tiredness, bloating, and foggy thinking. Sometimes it can even lead to yellowing eyes or unexpected weight gain. The great news is your liver is incredibly resilient. It can regenerate itself when treated with care. So what can you do? Start with small daily habits. First, eat more leafy greens. They are packed with nutrients. Next, garlic and turmeric are excellent for liver health. Don't forget to drink enough water. Hydration is key. Movement matters too. Regular exercise helps keep your liver in peak condition. Also, try to cut back on processed sugars and alcohol. Your liver doesn't need trendy detoxes or expensive juice cleanses. It craves clean fuel and consistency. So next time you feel off, think about your liver. It's your body's true MVP. Support it with healthy choices, and it rewards you with energy, better mood, and longevity. Did you know that small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in your liver health? For instance, swapping out sugary drinks for herbal teas can make a world of difference. Incorporating healthy fats, like those found in avocados and nuts, contributes to your liver's well-being as well. Additionally, you can explore the benefits of mindful eating. Taking your time to savor each bite not only enhances your meal experience, but also aids digestion, giving your liver more time to process nutrients efficiently. By being present during meals, you foster a healthier connection with your food and body. Moreover, you can prioritize getting adequate sleep each night. Quality rest is essential for your liver's recovery and function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep, allowing your body to rejuvenate. Establishing a calming bedtime routine can greatly enhance your sleep hygiene, making it easier to drift off peacefully. Furthermore, consider incorporating stress-reducing practices such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises into your daily life. These techniques not only protect the liver, but also promote overall mental health and well-being. By caring for your liver with these holistic approaches, you actively support its incredible resilience and performance. In addition to these practices, remember that regular health checkups can provide valuable insights into your liver function. Blood tests can reveal liver enzyme levels, helping you stay informed about your organ's health. By collaborating with your healthcare provider, you gain the knowledge and support necessary to make informed decisions about your lifestyle. Over time, these small, complacent choices can have a considerable impact, ensuring your liver remains empowered and continually serves its essential role within your body. Prioritizing your liver's health means embracing a more vibrant life. By championing your liver's needs, you can unlock a life filled with vitality and wellness. Remember, your liver is your body's unsung hero. Treat it well, and it will continue to reward you with the strength and energy to thrive. Embrace a lifestyle that honors this vital organ, and your health will flourish. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's get healthy!